still marking attendance manually in Excel? Many offices track attendance like this every day. Someone marks present, someone marks absent, and then at the end of the day, someone has to count everything manually. That wastes time and also causes mistakes. But Excel can calculate attendance automatically. In this video, I will show you how to create a simple attendance sheet where Excel automatically counts total employees, present employees, absent employees, and even calculates attendance percentage. Let's build this step by step. First, we create a simple attendance table. In column A, write employee name. In column B, write date. In column C, write status. Status will store whether the employee is present or absent. Now enter some sample employee names. For example, Amit, Neha, Rahul, Priya, Rohan, Sneha, Arjun, Meera, Karen, Anita. Then enter today's date in the date column. In the status column, we will mark P for present, A for absent. Now we have a simple attendance sheet. But right now, everything is manual. We still need to count present and absent employees manually. Let's automate that. Now we create a small summary section. Below the table, write total employees, present, absent, attendance percentage. This summary section will automatically calculate everything for us. First, we calculate total employees. Click the cell next to total employees. Type this formula, equals COUNTA A2, A11. COUNTA counts all cells that are not empty. So Excel will count how many employee names are present in the list. Press Enter. Now Excel shows the total number of employees automatically. Now we calculate how many employees are present. Click the cell next to present. Type the formula, equals COUNTIF C2, C11, P. COUNTIF counts cells that match a condition. Here our condition is P. So Excel counts how many employees are marked as present. Press Enter. Now the present count updates automatically. Now let's count absent employees. Click the cell next to absent. Type this formula, equals COUNTIF C2, C11A. This formula counts all employees marked as absent. Press Enter. Now Excel automatically calculates the absent count, so we no longer need to count attendance manually. Now let's calculate attendance percentage. Click the cell next to attendance percentage. Type this formula, equals B14/B13. Here B14 contains the present count, and B13 contains the total employee count. Press Enter. Now format the cell as percentage. Excel now shows attendance percentage automatically. Now watch this. If I change one employee from present to absent, the present count changes automatically. The absent count updates automatically, and the attendance percentage also updates automatically. That means this sheet is fully automated. Apply conditional formatting. Highlight A in red. Steps in Excel. Home, conditional formatting. Highlight cells rules, text that contains A. This makes the sheet look more professional. This type of attendance sheet is useful for HR teams, small businesses, school administrators, and anyone who manages employee attendance. If you want an advanced version of this sheet with late marks and automatic monthly reports, comment attendance below and subscribe for more Excel office automation tutorials.